Just over a year ago, St. Peter's Health introduced virtual nursing. Since its inception, virtual nurses have provided St. Peter's patients with more than 30,000 hours of care. MTN's Madeline Heath was one of those patients today and shows us how the program betters the experience for those in care and for the nurses themselves.
St. Peter's Health here in Helena is the first hospital in Montana to implement virtual nursing as an expansion of their patient care team.
Being able to bring the virtual nurse in is really about providing support
to bedside nurses and patients at all hours of the day.
So it's a great partnership between them. And then I think the benefit also for the patient is that every patient gets 2 nurses 24 hours a day.
The virtual nursing program was launched to help address the growing shortage of nurses and reduce burnout among the nursing staff. Since then, retention of RNs has increased by 50%.
We have a lot of patients that need a lot of things, and sometimes it's really hard to spend a half an hour on an admission or a half an hour to an hour on a discharge. And so having somebody that's able to kind of be our catch-all has been really helpful.
Virtual nurses are somewhat similar to telehealth technology-wise, but are solely used for inpatients rather than outpatients with scheduled appointments.
Virtual nursing, just like a nurse at the bedside, they can come in and out of your room as needed.
Virtual nurses interact with patients using a webcam and the room's television, documenting patient information in real time, and are available 24/7 to relieve some of the duties of the bedside crew.
I think it's important to remember that we work as one.
I was a patient for the day and got to experience what a virtual nurse interaction is like.
What would you say your pain level is?
About a 3 out of 10.
Okay, that's a mild pain.
For St. Peter's Health, this is just one innovative step they are taking to shape the future of healthcare in Montana.
Montana tends to be behind sometimes in technology, so it's really exciting that we can bring this care and more technology into our state as a whole.
Reporting in Helena, Madeline Heath, MTN News.